Have you ever considered the true impact of a well-planned social media marketing campaign? In today's interconnected world, social media platforms have risen to prominence as key players in the digital marketing landscape. They have become the modern-day marketplaces, where brands and consumers meet, interact, and forge connections like never before. Social media marketing has proven to be a potent tool for businesses, big or small, to reach out to their target audience. With billions of active users across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, the potential reach of a well-executed social media marketing campaign is vast and unparalleled. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality of interactions and engagements these platforms facilitate. Unlike traditional advertising, social media marketing allows for two-way communication. It's a dynamic space where brands don't just broadcast their messages but also listen, engage, and respond to their audience in real time. This level of interaction fosters a sense of community and loyalty among customers, making them more likely to champion your brand. Moreover, the power of social media marketing extends beyond reach and engagement. It's a potent conversion tool. Through targeted ads and personalized content, businesses can guide their audience down the sales funnel, turning followers into customers and customers into brand advocates. Social media platforms also offer a treasure trove of data about your audience. Their likes, dislikes, online behavior, and interactions can provide invaluable insights that can help shape your marketing strategy, making it more effective and efficient. The beauty of social media marketing lies in its versatility. Whether it's raising brand awareness, promoting a new product, driving website traffic, or boosting sales, social media platforms can help achieve a wide range of marketing objectives. In a nutshell, social media marketing is not just about posting updates and counting likes. It's about leveraging the power of online communities to build relationships, foster brand loyalty, and drive business growth. So it's clear that the power of social media marketing is undeniable. Let's dive into an example that perfectly illustrates the effectiveness of a well-executed social media marketing campaign. Picture this. Brand X, a budding clothing company, was looking to make its mark in the crowded world of fashion. Their objective? To build a strong, loyal community of customers who not only loved their products but also resonated with their brand ethos. They wanted to be more than just a clothing brand, they aimed to be a lifestyle choice. So, how did they go about achieving this? They turned to social media, the modern-day melting pot of ideas, trends, and communities. They knew that to stand out, they needed to do more than just post pictures of their products. They needed to tell a story, their story, and they needed to tell it well. Their strategy was three-pronged. First, they focused on creating high-quality, engaging content. This didn't just mean professional photo shoots of their products, they showcased real people wearing their clothes, shared behind-the-scenes peeks into their processes, and even created a series of fashion tips and hacks. They weren't just selling clothes, they were offering a glimpse into a lifestyle that their target audience aspired to. Second, they engaged with their audience. They responded to comments, reposted user-generated content, and even held regular contests and giveaways. This created a sense of community, a feeling of being part of the Brand X family. And third, they collaborated with influencers who shared their brand values. These weren't just any influencers, they were people who genuinely loved their products and were excited to be part of their journey. This lent credibility to their brand and helped them reach a wider audience. Now, let's talk results. Within a year, Brand X had amassed over 1 million followers on Instagram alone. But it wasn't just about the numbers. The engagement rates were through the roof. Their posts were receiving thousands of likes and comments, and their hashtag was being used by their community in droves. But the success didn't stop at social media metrics. Their online sales increased by a staggering 75%, and they even managed to open a few physical stores thanks to the buzz they created online. They had not only built a community, they had created a brand that people loved and wanted to be part of. But perhaps the most impressive result was this. They managed to achieve all of this without resorting to aggressive sales tactics or expensive advertising campaigns. They relied solely on the power of social media and the strength of their brand story. Brand X's success story is a testament to the transformative power of social media marketing when it's done right. And it serves as an inspiration to all brands out there, big or small, that with the right strategy and execution, social media can indeed be the game changer they're looking for. So what does it take to create a winning social media marketing campaign? Well, the answer lies in a blend of key strategies. Let's dive right in and dissect the most crucial ones, shall we? Firstly, understanding your audience is paramount. It's like having a compass in the vast ocean of social media. You need to know who you're talking to, what they like, their pain points, and why they would be interested in your product or service. This knowledge will guide your content creation and make it more impactful. Speaking of content, crafting engaging content is the next big strategy. Social media is all about catching your audience's attention, and nothing does that better than content that resonates with them. This could be a thought-provoking blog post, a fun infographic, or an inspiring video. The key is to make it so compelling that your audience can't help but share it with their network. Now, on to consistency. This is where many falter. Social media is not a one-off event but a continuous process. You need to be present, engaging, and responsive consistently. This builds trust and fosters a sense of community around your brand. Remember, sporadic posts can make your audience forget about you, while an overwhelming number can annoy them. Striking a balance is the name of the game here. Lastly, let's talk about tracking metrics. This is your behind-the-scenes strategy, the one that informs you whether your efforts are bearing fruit or not. Metrics such as engagement rate, reach, and follower growth can give you insights into what's working and what's not. This allows you to tweak your strategies and make them more effective. So there you have it. Understanding your audience, crafting engaging content, being consistent, and tracking metrics. These are the 4 pillars that uphold a successful social media marketing campaign. And the beauty of it all? None of these strategies exist in isolation. They intertwine and complement each other, creating a robust and dynamic marketing framework. These strategies, when implemented correctly, can significantly elevate your social media marketing game. Despite its proven effectiveness, there are still many misconceptions about social media marketing. Let's tackle some of these. First off, the notion that social media marketing is easy. It's true, anyone can create a profile or post a photo, but effective social media marketing, that's a different game. It requires strategy, creativity, and a deep understanding of your audience. It's not just about posting, it's about engaging, and that takes time and skill. Next up, the myth that social media marketing is free. Sure, signing up for most platforms doesn't cost a dime. But if you want to reach a wider audience and have a real impact, paid promotions are often necessary. And let's not forget the value of your time or the cost of hiring a professional to manage your strategy. Another common misconception is that social media marketing isn't suitable for all industries. This couldn't be further from the truth. Whether you're in fashion or finance, there's a platform and a strategy that can work for you. You just need to understand where your audience is and how to reach them. And finally, the idea that success happens overnight. In reality, building a robust social media presence can take months, even years. It's a long-term investment that requires patience, persistence, and adaptability. It's important to dispel these myths to fully harness the potential of social media marketing. To sum up, social media marketing is a powerful tool in the digital marketing arsenal. It has the capacity to transform brands, reach untapped markets, and connect with audiences on a level that traditional marketing strategies may not always achieve. Take our earlier example of BrandX. Their successful social media campaign wasn't a result of pure luck. It was a meticulously planned, well-executed strategy that leveraged the power of social media to connect with their audience in a meaningful and engaging way. This is the kind of success that is possible when you harness the power of social media marketing correctly. We also delved into some key strategies that are pivotal to any successful social media campaign. Understanding your target audience, creating engaging content, and maintaining consistent communication with your followers are just a few of these strategies. But remember, every brand is unique, so it's important to tailor these strategies to your specific needs and goals. And let's not forget the misconceptions. Yes, social media marketing isn't a magic wand that will solve all your brand's problems overnight. It requires time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with the right approach, it can yield remarkable results. Remember, the right social media strategy can catapult your brand to new heights. So, start planning your next campaign today.